If you've ever launched Google Chrome and found yourself staring at an untitled blank page, no tabs, no sites, just empty space, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, I'm going to show you a simple fix for this issue, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have Chrome opening up normally again so you can get right back to browsing. Let's dive in and get Chrome working like it should. First things first, we're going to close out of Chrome entirely and then reopen it. Sometimes browser glitches are temporary, and a fresh start can clear up those cobwebs. If you have Chrome open right now, go ahead and click that little X in the upper corner to close all Chrome windows. Take a breath and give it a moment. This step helps make sure any processes running in the background are fully stopped. Now, double-click your Chrome shortcut to launch the browser again. If you're still seeing the untitled blank page, don't worry. This is normal, and we're going to take a deeper step to fix it. Next, we're going to locate your Chrome shortcut. This is usually on your desktop, but you might also have it pinned to your taskbar or in your Start menu. Once you find the icon, go ahead and right-click on it. A menu will pop up. Look for Properties near the bottom and click on that. Opening Properties gives us access to some behind-the-scenes settings that control how Chrome launches. It's like peeking under the hood of your browser, so you're in the driver's seat here. Inside the Properties window, you'll see several fields, but the one we care about is labeled Target. It's a text box that shows the path Chrome uses whenever you start it. Look closely at the end of the text in this box, after the quote marks, or just at the very end, depending how your installation looks. This is where we're going to do a little tweak to help Chrome get past that blank page problem. Carefully move your cursor to the end of the text in the target box and type in a space, then add no sandbox. That's all one word, with a hyphen at the start. Don't forget the space before it. This command tells Chrome to launch without what's called the sandbox feature, which sometimes blocks proper startup if there's a glitch. Think of it like bypassing a locked gate when you just need to get on the road. Sometimes the sandbox can lock up Chrome, and this switch lets you drive right past. Once you've added that, click Apply. Sometimes you might get a pop-up asking for administrator privileges, especially if your computer is managed by your workplace. If so, just confirm, so your change goes through. After you hit Apply, click OK to close out of Properties. That's it. Now, launch Chrome again with this shortcut. You should see your browser spring to life with your tabs and homepage ready to go. If, for any reason, Chrome asks about running without Sandbox, it's just letting you know about the change. This setting is safe for most personal use. But if you're on a shared or work computer, check with your IT team. And that's the fix. If this helped you, or if you ran into any issues along the way, drop a comment below and I'll be sure to help you out. Make sure to like the video if you found it useful, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more practical tech tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing!